I knew it! I knew it! I knew it! They just issued it on,
The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Greene County in west central Iowa, western Webster County in central Iowa.
I don't know how this thing goes off with the bad signal.
Western Guthrie County in west central Iowa, Audubon County in west central Iowa,
Yeah, this has
eastern
nothing to do with
Calhoun County in west central Iowa, eastern Carroll County in west central Iowa,
That has no
northwestern
signal,
Liggett
no.
County in southwestern Iowa until 6:15 p.m. At 5:17
Right as I
p.m.,
turned on the
severe
W300, I
thunderstorms
just
were
heard like
located
that,
along the line extending
That's-
from near Glidden to 6 miles south of Atlantic, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat.
oh,
The following impacts are
they just issued
expected.
another thing.
Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fort Dodge, Carroll, Atlantic, Jefferson, Audubon, Guthrie Center, Lake City, Coon Rapids, Glidden, Gowrie, Fort Dodge Regional Airport, Lake Panorama, Anita, Exara, Adair, Althorn, Badger, Scranton, Laird, and Casey. This includes Interstate 80 between mile markers 51 and 81. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significantly
Yep,
damage.
that's what it said on
Although
the
a
thing.
tornado is not immediately likely,
Look,
it is
God,
best
they just
to move
issued
to
another
an
one.
interior room on the lowest
Or whatever
floor
that
of a
was.
building. These storms may cause serious injury and significant property damage. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Adair, Audubon, Cal, Greene, Guthrie, and Webster. Remains in effect.
Alright.